Hi guys, so today we've just got a little short video. We're just doing some optical optical illusion with like vertical and horizontal ombre, you know, what was sort of going around last year a bit, I'd say. So we're starting with a light and a dark purple shade from Madame Glam and Dali Artistic, I believe. Oh, sorry, that was a yawn. So yeah, this is the vertical one. So we're just going to blend that in, blend together. Doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to do a second coat. If you watched my last video, this was also for the newbie nail tech challenge over on Facebook. If you're part of that group, hello. I really hope I win one of these challenges because there were 6 I entered. So once you get it how you want it, faff about to your heart's content. I know I did. Get that cured, and then we'll do the illusion part, I suppose. So now we're going to do it on the opposite sides. So we're going in with the light on the right hand side now and the dark on the left. And then we're going to ombre those together. And then you're going to take a brush that you have sort of dipped in alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Doesn't want to be too wet, but wet enough to wipe away the polish. So we're just going to wipe away that bottom bit. Clean it up. Like I say, faff to your heart's content. Dip it in more alcohol if you need, because I think I did. Wanted to try and get it as cleaned up as I possibly could. My top ombre looks a bit pants, to be honest, so obviously I went in and faffed with that again. I don't really feel like my ombre was on point in this video, but this is just showing you the technique. So just cleaning that up again. And then I'm going to do it again. 2 coats for each of the ombres. Get it a bit better this time, I think. I think I do anyway. We'll see anyway, won't we? So we've got the ombre, and then we're wiping away. I'm just getting the brush more alcohol there. So we're just wiping. Clear the design up a bit at the bottom here. Faff about a bit more. And there we have the optical illusion. I don't know what they called it. Some ombre, but it was ages ago now. But it's really not difficult. It's just faffy. So now we're going to do the same sort of thing, but we're going to do it horizontally. So we're going to do the light shade at the bottom and the dark shade at the top. We're going to do 2 coats of that again. So yeah, I just feel like my ombre game was not on point. And that lighter shade, that's a Madame Glam Blissfully Yours. I feel I definitely used a little bit too much of that. But we live and we learn. You can learn from my mistakes. I don't know if this is the second coat. It could be. I think it is, yeah. Oh, I can't stop yawning. You know when you're just so tired. Oh. So, blend it together. That was a definitely better blend, to be fair. I think I'm wiping the brush in between though. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite. So we're doing the light at the top and the dark at the bottom. Ombre those together. And then I'm going to take that brush again. Oh no, we need to ombre first. I'm way ahead of myself. I don't think I do 2 coats of this one. I think I just stick with the one. But I'm not sure. So we've got the ombre almost done because I'm still faffing. And then we are going to get the brush dipped in alcohol and we're going to just carve out a circle. And there we have, you've got like your little reverse ombre look. Woohoo! That one's a little bit messier. But I still like it. I don't think I'll be winning that week's challenge. I really hope I don't win the character one, so. So shiny top coat. And then I'm just going to show you a little extra nail. We're doing vertical again. So we're just going to do the same 2 shades again. I fluffed this one up a little bit because my mother-in-law was hovering over me. Mother-in-laws who'd have a mate. Just kidding. Hi, Shirley. She's like one of my best subscribers. Likes every single video. So we're just doing the second coat. Oh, we'll ombre those together. And what we're going to do with this one is take the brush with the alcohol on it in like horizontal lines going down, like several going down the nail. So we're just going to take away the paint like that. You need to sort of get this done as quick as possible, really, before the sort of gel blobs back into place, because my lines were a little bit wobbly by the end of it. So I think we'll just do one more and get it in the lamp as quick as possible. Yeah, I didn't like that one very much in the end, to be honest. I did a lot of faffing and it just didn't look very clean. Like, the edges didn't look very sharp. Not as sharp as I wanted them to be anyway. See? But you get the gist of what I was trying to do. So, here we have... Am I going to shiny top coat? I'm going to shiny top coat that one first. Clearly. I hope you've liked this video. Not too long one today. Got some autumn Halloweeny ones coming up soon. Can't stop yawning. Very sorry. Here is those other two there. The main ones I was showing. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a like and subscribe if you did. See you next time. Bye.